Hello, here's my next ball race or ball game. It's really cool. I built it. I have used instructions. This game you can play with your family. Okay, now I will show you how the game works. Here I have 4 balls. 4 balls, 4 players. 10 balls, 10 players. 20 balls, 20 players. It's like this. Have game and race. But first I will show you the game. The ball will go on. That's you, let's see. And you will go all the way. If you go to the finish, that finish is over there. Finish is over there. If you get there, you win. But it's not too easy, because the ball can go here and here. But if you fall down on here, you lose. So let's play. That's you. That's me. I will go first. Oh, I lose. Now you. Oh, you win. Now I will show you the race. Race. Now let's do with 3 players. That's you, the green one. That's your friend, and that's me. Okay, the race you pull inside on here. You pull on here. Okay, now let's see who will go a little bit faster. First, your friend. Oh, he go all the way down there. Now me. Now you. You are the blue one. Let's see who's the winner. Your friend is the winner. That is my Knex ball race or ball game. It's really cool. And I think that's all. Bye.